sorry, 5 takeaways from the filming of Kapoor and Sons, and what was it like acting with Kapoor himself, Rishi Kapoor?
5 takeaways. Well, that's a difficult one. I think there's a lot of experiences that are worth remembering. But I think I think if I were to sum it up in words, love, affection, lots of fun, lots of memories, and a great time that I'm really going to miss. Rishi Kapoor is a living legend. Having worked with him is I think it is an excellent opportunity to learn something. I think, and on this set, I think the biggest lesson he's given us is patience, because he used to sit in a makeup chair and get prosthetics done for 5 hours in the morning and then take 2 hours in the evening to take them off. So 7 hours of his day used to go by just like that. So I think in this age, I think it's that passion, that motivation that drives him to be able to work on such things, and that is a very inspiring thing.
What does Kapoor and Son mean to you personally? What does it mean to you as an actor?
I think it's a celebration of family. As an actor, I think yes, I think it sort of takes into account, uses my abilities as an actor, but I think what's more important here is that it's a celebration of a family kind of a film, and it's a bit of a lesson that we let go of very easily, and we are faced with it every day in life. So I think it's a beautiful film that has been made for the love of cinema, and not just for necessarily for like I need a profit, so let's just plug in this song, let's plug in this masala, let's have this kind of a sequence. It's just a from the heart kind of film, really heartfelt, and people have really loved it.
And can you say that you found a new family in the likes of Siddharth and Alia and the rest of your cast with this?
All of them. I think all of them. Dharma is a great team to work with. I think what they stand for, what they make of movies that celebrate family, but I think they stand for that by also sort of, they're synonymous to the word family. I think Dharma really treats its members like family. So having been a part of the family, I've really enjoyed my time working with all these wonderful individuals, and I'd love to work with them again.
And lastly, we can't let you go away without humming your favorite tune from Kapoor and Sons for us and for your viewers in India. And today being the day of the Pakistan-India match, this can go out to cricket fans on either side as well. So pick your favorite melody from Kapoor and Sons.
First of all, I think T20 is going to happen every year or every 4 years or 3 years or whatever the case is. It's a tradition that's going to keep on going. Kapoor and Sons is only going to come once, so go and watch that. Yes. And for that, I will sing you this song, Oh Ladki Beautiful Kar Gayi Chul.